Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you will be fine and safe in your homes. Right. Very good, Nana. In the topic similar triangles, we were discussing exercise 8.2, in which we completed up to 7 questions, isn't it? Right. Now we are going to see the 8th question, Nana. CD and GH, exercise 8.2, 8th question. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF, such that D and H lie on the sides AB and EF of triangle ABC and triangle FEG. So, triangle ABC and triangle FEG, ABC and FEG. Is it clear? Alright. Again I read the starting one. CD and GH are the bisectors of angle C and angle G. So, CD is the line which bisects angle C. Similarly, GH is the line which bisects the angle present there. Is it clear? Right. GH are the bisectors of angle ACB and angle FGE. Clear, Nana? Right. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, so what is given here? Given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, okay, and CD line segment bisects angle ACB, GH line segment bisects angle FGE. This is what given to us. And here then show that they asked you 3 questions. In that you have to take the third question as the first question. By mistake they have given that one. So I write the third question as the first question to show. So what we have to show, the first one is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. You observe, where is DCA? DCA, yes, this is the triangle. Very good, Nana, very good. And HGF, yeah, very nice, Amma. This is our triangle. In these 2 triangles, you have to show that they are similar to one another. As it is given ABC is similar to FEG, we can say that I am proving the first one. Next I go to the second one, okay? Right. So here in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, what do we want to show here? That they are similar. So I am taking the angle A here and I am taking angle F here. Angle A is equal to angle F, since triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. After that one we can say that angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH, since by this triangle ABC similar to triangle HEG, I can write that angle C is equal to angle G. As they are bisected, you know, bisecting means making into 2 equal parts. So as we are bisecting, you say angle C by 2 is equal to angle G by 2. Angle C by 2 is nothing but ACD. Angle G by 2 is nothing but FGH. Is that clear? So 2 angles of one triangle are equal to the 2 angles of another triangle. You say triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. The first question completed. Coming to the second question, they wanted to show that CD by CM, sorry, one second, CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Observe carefully, as the 2 triangles are similar, you say CD by HG. Very good, Nana, very good. CD by HG is equal to AC by FG, AC by FG. What can you say here? Very good. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now the third one, what did they ask you to prove the third one? The third one they wanted to prove that triangle CDB is similar to triangle GHE. Okay. Now I am going to take the third question here, just changing the names. Okay, D, C, instead of A, I take B. The third question I am writing here now. And the next one, HGF, HGF, instead of HGF, I write HGE. This is your third question, and are you able to understand, everybody? This is your third question. Now we get into the same method. You can say, we write the same angles, but a little bit change here. So in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, okay, what can you say here? Angle B is equal to angle E, since the triangles are similar. Very good, Nana. Angle B is equal to angle E. Similarly, I can say that angle DCB, DCB is equal to angle HGE. Angle HGE. Why are they equal? Because angle C is equal to angle G. The C by 2 is equal to G by 2. C by 2 is nothing but angle DCB. G by 2 is nothing but angle HGE. So you can say the triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Okay. This completes our answer. Is that clear, everybody? Right, very good. Very good, Nana. Observe carefully. The first question and the third question are similar. You should not confuse in that one. The first and the third one are similar. Don't be confused. Okay? Right. Now we go to the ninth question, Nana. What is the ninth question? Keep a star for this ninth question. It's an important question. Okay? See there, AX and DY are altitudes of two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. See, ABC and DEF are said to be similar triangles, ABC, DEF. So what is given to us? Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. And the next one, what did they give us? AX and DY are altitudes. Altitude means a line drawn perpendicular. Very good, Nana. AX and a line drawn perpendicular, that is DY. These perpendiculars are called as altitudes. AX and DY are the altitudes. Okay. So AX line segment perpendicular to BC line segment, DY line segment perpendicular to EF line segment. Alright, what do we want to show here? To prove. What do we want to prove? AX by DY. AX by DY is equal to AB by DE. AB by DE. So where is AB, AX? See, they are in this triangle. And similarly, the corresponding sides in this triangle. Yeah, yes, you are right. You got the answer. Very good, Amma. Very good. Very good. Right. We are going to take those two triangles now. It is very simple for you, isn't it? Right. So, in the proof, I take in triangle AXB and triangle DYE. I can take angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Another one, I can say that angle X is equal to angle Y. That angle AXB is equal to angle DYE is equal to 90 degrees. So two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle. Then they are similar. Right, very good. Completed our answer. Therefore, triangle AXB similar to triangle DYE by AA similarity. When the two triangles are similar, then what can you say? You can equate the corresponding sides ratios. Very good, Nana, very good. AX by DY. Therefore, ax by dy is equal to ab by de. Yes, we got the answer. Is it clear? Right. Practice these two questions. Tomorrow we are going to make construction of similar triangles. Practice them. Right.